One thing that differentiates a native or natural or ancient woodland, whatever terminology you want to use, from a managed forest or a managed woodland is the presence of more standing deadwood and wind-felled trees. In a managed forest, those sorts of things would be cleared up pretty quickly because they present a threat to either people walking in the forest, people working there, or a risk of health and safety to the public. But in a more natural, unmanaged woodland, you're more likely to find those standing dead trees, hanging branches or widow makers, and wind-felled trees that, although they are still a danger, obviously they're not managed because they are part of the natural cycle of a forest ecosystem. And in fact, standing and fallen deadwood both have tremendous ecological benefits to the woodland because they provide habitats for decomposers like fungi, bacteria and insects that would otherwise not really have anywhere to live. So in a more natural woodland, they certainly have their place, but you wouldn't typically find those kinds of dead or fallen trees in a managed forest, and that's one way that you can tell the difference between the two without having to examine the species that are present.